wanna make a fuss, but ndifunika kukwera minibus. Fika nyumba ñanda, the smoke is slowly killing us. Sindifuna kuufa cabe, ndefwaya ubumi, ubusuma. This life has turned us into consumers, and I think it will soon will doom us. Samuel Banda, ndinaphuzira kukamba, Chewa chinyanja, Bemba. It's hard for me to remember. Mix the languages and menizalika kuna. What languages you know? Chisungu, mavuto, wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. Amuna wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. Amuna wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. Amuna wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. Didi pamene pano, my head hurts, I need a panadol. Mafuna kuziwa ine, Samuel Banda just had to know. Mavuta kumbera kuufa, but you know that it's a mad flow. Chafuka chani, talk a big game, cause he used to have hosts. Dizienda kuda konse, gocheza di antuanse. Nadi kwata, ifubusa mucha lo chonse. I'm from the US, and I'm sure I can make you feel blessed. You have an interest in me, they call me Young Slimmer, yes king. I'm in Zambia, and I'm investing. Wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. Amuna wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. Amuna wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. Amuna wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. I wanna hang with the big guys, but dimbera monga nidi kumbuyo. Osiwala and booyah, you know that I could never do that. Ulema kumudzi, ukuchindika kumushi. My girl got a sushi way, and I'm here to lead the way. I love Zambia so much, you'll never lose me. Sindiziwa kuti that this life would choose me. Sindiwa moa cause I stop boozing. Diza kukwera so golondito, I'm not losing. Dizo netso moya wanga, you can live your life through me. Amuna wanzeru, umuntu wa mano. 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 Ndine Samuel Banda, aka Young Slim, aka Samuel King, produced the BTS King. It's como hay.